To use keyboard clipboard on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, first of all, you will have to just get this clipboard icon right here. If you cannot find it, you can click here and search for the clipboard in this place. Basically, you will have to click on this icon and you will have to turn it on. And now, as you can see, you can edit all of these presets by clicking right here. You can just select them and get rid of them. Now, if you type something and you want to copy, you have to just select and tap. Let's do this one more time. Let's click and hold, and let's click copy. Okay, it's not working, so let's cut out. And as you can see now, we get these suggestions from keyboard, but here we can open clipboard, and if you are gonna click and hold it, you can simply pin this phrase. So now every time you try to actually quickly input it, you can do this by using your keyboard. Your clipboard keyboard. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.